In the previously lectures, we only demonstrated how to consume data from the Kafka topic and only worked with the value partition of the record. In general, the key part of the Kafka record is very important. So in this lecture, I will show you how to read and process the key and value part of the Kafka record. All right, here we go. And first, we have to create another stream and topic given the name Flink test2. As you can see, the underlying Kafka topic named Flink underscore test2. All right, execution. And we can use the describe statement to get more details information about this stream. All right, as you can see, the underlying Kafka topic and fields ID, username, and age. Suppose we specify the ID as the primary key. This is as a key part of the Kafka record. All right. Now let me write the Flink source code at here. We can simple to duplicate the record from this directly, named JSON key and value part. The value, right? Okay, and value. And here we could not to simple set the value only deserializer. We have to call the set deserializer and here and create the class named Kafka record deserialization schema, right? And because we needed to process the key part and the value part, so we could not use the Flink user directly. And here, so we have to define the data type is table2, and suppose the key part is integer and value part is a Flink user, right? And regenerated the override method at here. Okay. We can quickly to given the tuple information and here new tuples information. Yep. First is the tuples int, all right, and another is tuples pojo. We can specify the Flink user class. Okay. And here we have to do some deserializer command to process the consumer record. Okay. So how to do that? We have to use consumer record to get key part, call the key method, and okay. We use the but buffer come from the Java NRO package and wrap. Okay. The key part and get int. All right. This is the key part. Then now we can use consume record, call the value part, get the record value bytes array. Yeah, and also we have to define the JSON object mapper at here. Object mapper. All right. And initialize it as a open method. This is a life cycle method. Object mapper. JSON mapper. Oops, not this one. JSON mapper factory to create the object mapper. All right. Here, I will call this object mapper to read value. Okay, specify the bytes and specify the Pojo class name. Okay. We will get the Flink user instance at here. And now we can call the collector to emit the record to the downstream. Collect tuple2 and of key and the value part of Flink user. It's pretty easy, right? Of course, we should to change the data type and here. Tuple2 and integer first place and the second place here. All right. Don't forget to change the topic name. Okay, and the value also change the group ID. Oh, all right. Now let me execute this application running. Clean the console logs and open the KSQL client. Insert the test records and here. First one, we can get the key part and the value part right. And the second one, we also get the key part and the value part right. Okay. In my personal opinion, the Flink's API for handling Kafka records is not elegant designed, even underlying. So if your application work on the Kafka only, you can use the Kafka Streams framework or KSQL and KSQL directly for the data analysis and data process, right? Of course, you can refer to the related courses I have posted at the Udemy, right? This one about the Confluent KSQL and KSQL completed course. And this is about the Kafka Streams framework, how to process the real-time data. All right, see you next lecture.